what's up? It's Amanda. Welcome the fuck to my channel where I do whatever the fuck I want. So I've been wanting to film this video for a while, but I just haven't had like the energy to do it because this video takes a lot of energy, believe it or not. It's like jamming out to your favorite songs in front of a video, and I don't know how to dance, so like shit. Also, like I say before any of these videos, because I make a lot of these videos because I really like music, bitch, and if you know anything about me, you know that a lot. I like it a lot. But you see me, you see this aesthetic, like the white girl, you know, but like I like really ghetto music, and I say this in every video, and the people who have already watched this are probably real sick of this, but I like ghetto music. So let's just get into my current favorite Ratchet playlist. And the most basic but iconic line of 2018.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. You gonna tell her, look, y'all niggas kill something. Y'all niggas steal something. Make a so I can help my ugly thing out. I hate those that hate on me for no reason. I've been through some hard times. You keep it on me at all times. So they coming numb in the eight.
To be honest, one of you guys put me on the Lil Bibby, and I fuck with Lil Bibby so hard now. So if you guys have any song suggestions, put them down below. Any rappers, whatever. It has to be rappers, bro. I'm sorry. Honestly, your favorite song, comment it down below. Cool. I was fucking with the song before it became like big.
You know what the one you psyched up? That way. Yeah, my bitch 240 in the diesel. Free. I won't go think about bands. Hop over jet to a check when I land. My way around was there when I was creeping on the floor. That 40 down drum, cause I feel like Nick Cannon. Somehow, some way, we gotta make it out the hood someday. Just to make sure that my family good someday.
This song is the reason Kodak got locked up. And since he's locked up, you're not gonna hear a lot of Kodak on my playlist. And I know that's really rare if you've been watching me for a minute. And it's just because he hasn't really put out some new shit. And like, it's really like, you know, like it's hard, bro. I've been having to cheat, bro. Like, if he just got out, if he just stopped getting in jail and just dropped music and like moved somewhere else, you know, it'd be cool. But like, Florida's not cool, bro. Like, but this song is the reason Kodak got locked up. Like, he started spitting some real shit and people were just like, what?
This bond is fuck. My life is hard enough. They not rewarding us. They disregarding us. Ain't old enough to hit the cup. Fill my cup with rum. But I can go die in the arm like going to war for their monuments. These people got weather control with everything Hurricane Harvey from.
You'll already know I had to come through with the queen. Bruh, this song be making me like hate a motherfucker who didn't even cheat on me, bruh. But I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you look keeping me fly, but you keep me from looking so crazy. Coming at 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, okay. My intuition never lies, so then you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. You've been creeping and freaking and sneaking like you'll never lose me. Always got this on lockdown, but that ain't been keeping it stable. So I guess I know what I gotta do, yeah. You're a medicine, hey, yeah. How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on do not disturb and entertain these dudes. I'm a ride, I'm crazy and you'll never have a clue. Give another guy everything that belongs to you. I'ma call her Brian.
You gotta pay the cost to be the boss. Never speak on what I know, but I was forever ride for my brother. I was taught, fuck that bitch and let her go. I was taught, I never give up on my brother. I never say no to my sister. State tried to give me eggs. I told her you do that shit. All you niggas pussy, I put some lube on them.
Meek Mill.
This shit with Mariah, they thought it was lease. Then I bought that new Ferrari. Hey, the rest in peace. Hey, the rest in peace. Rest in peace to the parking lot, nigga. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished when I bought that check in with me and do your job. Berg is the name. Ben Baller did the chain. Torno for the watch. Prezi plain Jane.
I don't know what the fuck you're saying, and I'm sorry if I'm insulting anybody, but
fuck, new drag, new bricks on the way now. That's your bitch on the way now. Mama told me if you fall, never stay down. Stand up, nigga, I can never lay down. Looking all time, little bitch.
I've been fucking with some old school Drake, bruh.
Yeah. When you get to where I'm at, you gotta remind them where the fuck you at. Every time they talking, it's behind your back. Gotta learn to line them up and then attack. People around you should really have nothing to say.
Facts. Yo, this song is so slept on.
She for everybody, shawty, she for everybody. She for everybody. A woman with a future and a past. A little attitude problem, all good, it'll make shit last. Don't make it too
Attitude problem, that's what you need.
Surprise, my camera died.